Ekiragiro kiri kukwata habe kijo eky'omwaka gw'2023 kikahinguzibwa ishengero mu kwezi kwa kana bwanyuma yo kucondoza hamwe no kuhajana okwabira hagati y'abahingi b'ebikwijo abari kubisa abanyishengero ku rugo mu bicweka ebiri kuhinga ebikwijo ebirimu nka Buganda, Busoga, Bunyoro hamwe na Acholi bwanyuma yo kwikiriza no mbere akorwe hamwe na za councils ezabiri zishitamye mu bwirobwe nga okutaha ebeeyi yemwe y'ebikwijo.
I want to take this opportunity to thank the President of Uganda, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, for passing this law. And on the point of institute, it is going to help us a lot because we've been planting and we couldn't know which type of plant, which type of cane we could plant in this soil. But as long as they have introduced that, it is going to help us.
How we don't formula you find it won't get by 10%. For example, a factory, a squad of a factory in 2018, then come maybe. Try to call the formula we take a hat to what supposed to for and to a no kumi. Chocolate Kafan and Tori Kumina Gumana Kakaga, Nevitan. My somebody, I go as a Bakumogo is the sitting of Targum and Kumisak.
Wabire na gambo n'abanyamakuru omuruhoma City Robert Atugonza ori mukuru wa Outgrowers omuri Kinyarasuga Limited agizire ngo ekiragiro kiri kukwata harushukari shoborire ebizibu ebibarukura mbunka abahingi b'ebikwijo ngebeeyi y'ebikwijo okubiyaho umushoro mwingi obutatunga buciko oburi kubebembera hamwe no kutaho aho kucondoreza okuba kwasa kongera omutindo gwa shukari
kigenda abali tukonyera kita kigenda kutukonyera habo kuba tuizire nitubuliro mu mihendo nosanga koyi masuga egura omuhendo godi Kinyara egura gundi Busoga nabo bakugura emihende endi na ahandi nosanga ntihagura umuhendo ahandi ninkakasa kurungi ngo percent ekuruga omubikaijo hari kama factory ko kugabayirege tubayiroga na Kinyara yagamba etunga percent kiyenda kikumaisa haburi tanemu ekutunga ekilo kiyenda no warugire gamuru.
As farmers, we really feel that the new law is going to be helping us because they have seen the points which they have lamented about. They have been deducting our money, that in case of trust, not only that, the 10% which they have talked, in case we happen to get this percent, we are very sure that we shall, our livelihood will be at least improved on.
Robert Atugonza ayongere yagira ngo abahingi nibatekatekwa kugira ngo nibaza kuganyurwamo omukiragiro eki cyaheza kutibwa mu nkora.
Omukiragiro kino haizire harwanizibwa kuteka mu zono. Akantu ka zono kano abali bataka kenge kakabangu e factory haleri tibakwikiriza muguzi wena kwijamu hagati ya kilomita 25 hati hagati ya kilomita 25 hata kutahamu umulimi wenu kyonka habwa hati bunu zono mwitekali munu tesayiningirwemu habokuba itabebembezi tukajyana tugihakaniza.
Gasha kwa Gad Asava abwatayali West.